I've met a lot of older people, grandparents, teachers, who give me the spiel of, oh, my life went by so fast. Just yesterday I was 19 or 25, and now I don't know where all that time went. I just blinked and I was 80. And I think about that and I'm like, what a strange way to be alive. Back in California, I had this fear of building this routine in my 30s and suddenly the decade is gone. And so I promised myself I would do something radically different, and I'm gonna do something that scares the crap out of me and see if that changes my brain chemistry. I've been living on my bicycle for a year now. I've biked from Oregon, down America, down Mexico, Central America, into South America. And people ask me, why do you live on a bike? Why did you quit your job? Why are you doing this? My answer is this. The routine is the enemy of time. It makes it fly by. When you're a kid, everything is astonishing. Everything is new. And so your brain is awake and turned on. So every passing second, your brain is learning something new, learning how the world works. And so the muscle of your brain is activated. And as you get older, and your brain has figured out the patterns of the way the world works. This is how you make money. This is how you graduate school. This is how you get a mortgage. This is how you have kids. I've got that on lockdown. I know my car. I know how to go to work every day. I know how to check out, all these things. And once your brain establishes a routine, it stops. The alertness goes away. The fascination with the way the world works. And I think that's what travel in general does. It wakes up your brain. I'll go into a new country, into Panama, into Colombia, these countries I'm scared of because of the news. And I'll find it beautiful and shocking. Every hill I cross over is insanely awesome. My brain is fascinated. I didn't know my brain could be so turned on. I want to be aware of every day I'm alive. And I want to make it to 85 and be exhausted because I have been alive and awake every single day. And I think that's the duty of being an adult, is when you're a kid, everything's new, so you don't have to work for it, you're just astonished by it. Once you're an adult, that's a choice. You choose adventure for your own life. But it's not about the bike. It's about getting out of your routine. And that could look like anything. And that's what I'm doing here. That's why I'm doing this bike trip. Because I don't want my days to control me. I don't want my life, the calendar, to be my boss. I want to control my days. I want to choose the adventures that I go on, and I want to choose a mind and a soul that's wide awake. Because in a sense, it turns your 100 years on this planet into 1,000. And so, that's why I'm doing this bike trip.